Solving the question algebraically, drawing everything to scale and measuring. When you take engineering to understand all the math memes, this little maneuver is going to cost us 51 years. Appears, proves Poincaré conjecture. Refuses the Millennium Prize. Leaves. This paper is big enough to fit your proof. Fermat. Life when a vector is anything with magnitude and direction. Life when a vector is an element in a vector space. Me watching YouTubers say it took over 300 pages to prove 1 + 1 = 2. Algebra. Colgebra. Analytic functions. Holomorphic functions. Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. Open subset of the complex plane. They're the same picture. Normal. Regular. Mathematicians naming any concept. When you're a dad with a PhD in math and your kid needs help with partial fractions, disprove. Please, please, please don't prove I'm right. Hello, my name is Joby. I have a PhD in physics, and I work for NASA, and I just had to look up the equation for the volume of a sphere. Mathematician. Visible disgust. A physicist. The limit is the value something is approaching as it gets nearer to a specific point. A mathematician. Well, yes, but actually no. Complex analysis. Looks inside. Calculus 2. If you increase a quarter by a third, you get a third. That feels weird, but I'll allow it. WinRAR, and the infinite 40-day trial. So much in that excellent formula. Math people scare me. Math people will be like, math works in mysterious ways to you. I get it though. And they do, and it's fucking terrifying. And if you ask them to elaborate, they will. But then you'll wish they didn't. Real numbers. Complex numbers. Quaternions. Bay. Come over. Me. I can't. We are linearly independent. Bay. My parents aren't home. Me. A matrix is just a list of where each basis vector gets sent under the corresponding linear transformation. Groundbreaking new mining pattern that is very efficient but hideous and horrible and awful to remember. Never ask a woman her age. A man, his salary. A math PhD, exactly how many standard decks of cards he has to shuffle, such that the probability of 2 being the same order is 50%. Painter setup, carpenter setup, IT setup, mathematician setup. Calculator is optional. Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. Topologists, they're the same picture. Topologists when they see a filled Klein bottle. 8 hours of topology, 30 seconds of analysis. Cutting-edge mathematics. Cost of blocks, $20. Cutting-edge physics. Cost of LHC, $9 billion. The set of all memes. A meme on the set of all memes. What about derivatives? Most functions have derivatives. Almost no functions have derivatives. What is a derivative? Never ask a woman her age. A man, his salary. A mathematician, who they work for. A pig without 3.14 is just 9.8. The graph looks like it's going up, so it'll go up. No. You need to run a time series forecasting model and analyze seasonal trends with Fourier or wavelet techniques. The graph looks like it's going up, so it'll go up. Math is not about numbers. It's about categories and the morphisms between them. Calc 1 students having hard times proving a question. Lagrange theorem. AI haters. LLMs aren't really thinking. It's all just linear algebra. Me. Well, first of all, through linear algebra, all things are possible, so jot that down. Tree 1. Tree 2. Tree 3. Me chopping my bully into thin slices to integrate him into my suitcase. Another day without needing to calculate the surface area of a cone. Average plus C fan. Average multiply by A enjoyer. Discovering Santa isn't real. Discovering the golden ratio occurrence in nature and art is just misinterpreting coincidences.